What is going on, guys? Luke here today, and I want to do something a little bit different than everyone else who is pushing my top 5 stocks or whatever type videos. And since it's Halloween time and it seems like there's lots of doom and gloom everywhere, I'll give you the 5 stocks that absolutely terrify me to buy right now. Like, I'm literally having nightmares about them, and I will tell you exactly why for each stock. Now, I'll give you fair warning, there are some scary surprises in this list, so you better be ready because you might be walking into a creepy cabin in the woods with scary music playing in the background with some of these stocks and not even know it. So let's get started. What? Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we will cover the 5 stocks that scare me to death to buy right now today. And my last one will be controversial to my EV fans, and I'm sure will make some people really angry. But wasn't that what the internet was invented for? And trust me, those people don't scare me nearly as much as these stocks do right now. So don't forget to like the video so you get more candy on Halloween. At least that is the rumor that I heard as to what happens when you like videos on YouTube. It was either candy or it was money. I don't know, I'm not really sure, I can't remember. So stock number 1 that scares me to buy right now, that would be Nikola. This stock actually scared me as soon as it ran up on nothing just a few months ago. It was the start of the whole speculative EV make $1 million in a month, YOLO plays that popped up over the spring and the summer. But now with the fraud allegations and investigations by the SEC among others, this stock is scary to say the least, and I see no reason to own it for any reason, which I guess I just used reason too many times. So unless you're one of those sickos that likes to lose money, and please stay away from me, this stock should scare you too. Add in the fact that some people won't subscribe to my channel because they would trust this guy over me because of my shades is also really scary. So stock number 2 that scares me to buy right now, that would be any airline stock. Another scary proposition for anyone out there making speculative bets on the airlines. Now, full disclosure, I never liked airlines before the whole illness thing came up. Most lose money, are heavily subsidized, and although I agree they are going to get bailed out, why would I want to own a stock that cannot be profitable on its own, is debt-laden, and is super expensive to operate as a business? Now they are devastated, and I don't think air travel is coming back like it was before the illness. Personal experience, I traveled by air virtually every week pre-illness. Now, I haven't traveled at all by air since March, and I see no way I will be traveling by air as much as I was before when we, can actually travel again. I have too many clients now that are completely comfortable doing everything online, and honestly, it makes sense. It saves them a lot of money not having to pay my travel bills, and I don't think I'm the only one that's in this situation. I think there's a lot of people that will be in this situation in the future. So to me, owning airlines was scary before, but now it's deadly to my portfolio, in my opinion. I'm getting tired.
You'd better buy Tesla stock now, or else I'm taking over your channel, and I'm gonna sleep in your bed, and I sweat a ton, cause I'm the Tesla bull. I'm the Tesla bull.
That guy scares me. Maybe I should change some of my picks. So stock number 3 that scares me to buy right now, that would be HYLN. Look, I sold this stock before the merger at just over $50 per share. Here's the card, should pop up right here if you want to see that video. And you guys destroyed me in the comments section for selling, telling me I was dumb to sell before the merger. Well, guess what? It's a bloody mess now, and holding it through this time horrified my portfolio. Now don't get it twisted, I love the stock long term, but when I bought it at $26 or so, I felt I paid a bit of a premium, way back then. And after holding it just a short while, I was sitting on a 90% gain that I felt was based more on hype than the performance of the company. So looking at the crazy volatility in the market that I think will continue through the winter, and the fact that I was up 90% on the trade, and yes, people said I was a terrible investor for making 90% on the trade, I decided to take my profits and not hold a speculative stock until after everything settles down. So this stock scares me if I was in the market to buy right now, which I'm not, but I will be once we get through all this stuff. Oh yeah, and Webull extended their 2 free stocks until mid-October. So just deposit $100 and you get 2 free stocks. 2, not 4, 2. Let us know in the comments if you get a trick or a treat. You get it? Is that good? No? Okay. Terrible? All right. Moving on. So stock number 4 that scares me to buy right now, that would be the vaccine loser. It seems like every company that's racing for a vaccine for the illness puts out a press release saying theirs looks really promising, or it's moving on to the next stage, or the FDA approved it, or whatever. And the stocks jump huge on any and all positive news, it seems. Now I agree, the winner or handful of winners are going to do amazing. But the losers, it's going to be a scary, scary fall. And what's even more horrifying than that is that you may see the stock jumping right over your stop loss, and in the end all you're left with is a nice fat write-off at the end of the year. Talk about a scary drop in price. The loser will be left a bloody beaten pulp. So the final stock that scares me to buy right now, that would be Tesla. I already hear the anger and the backlash and the ghost and the goblins coming for me down in the comment section. But slow down and hear me out on why Tesla scares me to buy right now. I think we can all agree Tesla is the most volatile large cap stock out there. It's not even close. We can all agree on that. So answer these questions for me about the past 6 months or so in regards to Tesla. Has Tesla ran up 80% in a month? Yep. Has Tesla fallen 60% in a month? Yep. That volatility makes Tesla the scariest, spookiest large cap stock out there. Now I'm not saying Tesla isn't a great long-term buy or that it's not a great stock for you and your plan and your goals to buy right now. But if you are buying Tesla and expecting it to act like a happy-go-lucky stock like Amazon, you are mistaken. But those that can stomach the scary ride will be rewarded at the end, but you might need some stomach medicine in between too. So thanks for watching, and if you want to work directly with me, check out the first link down in the description and I will show you how to create a plan, set defined goals, how to analyze a stock, and build real wealth. And don't forget to sign up for Webull so you get your free stocks worth up to $1,600 when you just deposit $100. And you don't even have to use that $100. And show your support for the channel by liking the video and follow me on all my social medias I have so you can watch me epically fail on all of those. Thanks.